got our house back. We're
What did I do about the floor?
You're so cute.
What's wrong with the floor?
It got scratched open.
It got cut open by the fridge. Oh my gosh.
We were driving to a caraway.
Guys, we haven't done this in so long that I'm kind of forgetting what to do here. Watchdog, I've missed you. I've missed you. This in general. All right, guys, on serious note, let's check it out. I want to give a big shout out to Forest River, Tony, Jeannie. You guys are amazing. We greatly appreciate it. And big, huge shout out to Brad with Horizon Hotshot.
No, they were so accommodating. It was pretty.
I mean, you just can't beat it. And so, thank you guys. We appreciate it. So keep coming along. I mean, come along with us because we haven't even opened this up yet. We're gonna. Guys, we're hooked up. We're ready to go. We're ready to get the heck out of here. Let's do something crazy. We got our house back. I want to give a big shout out to Forest River for taking care of us, and like, subscribe, show all your friends, give Forest River some love.
What did I do about the floor?
You're so cute.
What's
baby.
wrong with the floor?
It got scratched open.
It got cut open by the fridge. Oh my gosh.
We were driving to a caraway.
Yeah, you're right.
That's pretty smart.
Margie, you're my #1 girl, baby. I love you.
Day 2 of Billy Bob.
Day 2 of Billy Bob.
He lost his whole head.
Carter did that.
How would I do that, sir?
When he was walking to the bathroom.
Guys, we haven't done this in so long that I'm kind of forgetting what to do here.
Your hair looks good today.
That's thanks to you, baby. Literally.
Where's the watchdog? You hid it, huh? Did you hide everything?
Watchdog, I've missed you. I've missed you. This in general.
It's actually pretty clean for coming 4 states away.
4 states, 1,800 miles. We're golden.
Golden.
Is there a 50 amp on here? That's a 30. Can you hold this up,
It's
please?
not a 30.
No, I'm just saying that we're like new to this. This is our. Turn it off.
Oh.
Whoa.
It's a little wobbly. You might want to support the back of it. Sir. Ouch.
Let's make sure we have power here.
Is there?
Yes.
I had it all set up and then there's no power.
Here.
Isn't that the first thing they tell you to look for? Is to check if there's power? Houston?
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh. That's a miracle. Oh, you know what I was just thinking?
What?
We don't have to dry our clothes over there no more.
You're so smart, baby. We just need your washer.
Yeah.
Life has just gotten easier. All right, guys, on serious note, let's check it out. I want to give a big shout out to Forest River, Tony, Jeannie. You guys are amazing. We greatly appreciate it. And big, huge shout out to Brad with Horizon Hotshot. He got it here in And we just want to say thank
slides,
you.
I can already tell.
Yeah?
The slides look way better.
Yeah.
I was reading the paper and it said they're not supposed to sit 100% flush. While I understand that, this one didn't. This one looks way better. The other one, like, it looks good.
No, you guys are amazing.
It looks good.
We just want to say thank you guys. We appreciate it. And yeah, we hope you guys follow our journey. That way you can see how much we enjoy this.
Honestly, we were very pessimistic about it, and we shouldn't have been. It's just how our journey has gone so far.
Yeah.
But Forest River actually...
They showed up, man.
I have no
They showed
complaint.
up and they showed out. So if you guys are in the market...
Now, if you ever want to hear a story time about Bishes, we got a whole other story time on that. But Forest River is amazing.
But listen, if you guys are in the market, I would recommend Forest River. If you want to start out, Forest River.
Yeah.
Why? They back their products. Their products aren't bad.
No.
We've lived in it for 1 year, and we've had little minor problems,
and they really fixed everything that we wanted.
Yeah. And more.
So if we weren't living in it full time, we would have had it completely cleaned out, and they do a full inspection to make sure that they get everything.
But
so,
they did clean it. They cleaned this baby up. They've left us.
No, they were so accommodating. It was pretty.
I mean, you just can't beat it. And so, thank you guys. We appreciate it. So keep coming along. I mean, come along with us, because we haven't even opened this up yet. We're gonna go get some food because we're hungry,
and we want to actually cook for once.
And we're gonna cook. So we're gonna cook. We're gonna make some food with you guys. We're gonna have a great day. And I just want to say thanks to my beautiful wife for getting it all done for us. And we couldn't do it without her. So can't even tell, right? Huh?
So there was big gouges right here, and they fixed the laminate. You can kind of feel it right here where they cut it, but you can't even see it. They just
cut it on a seam.
Yep. The new fridge. Brand new fridge again. Let's see this. Let's see if the kids' room is a disaster or not. So this is why we kind of waited too. Is the bench. The cushions they had made were too short, so they had to have new ones made just a little bit longer.
Turn on some light, babe. Let's see what they did. They really did.
Wow. They replaced the wall. New hinges. They replaced this because this was cracking. We were afraid that the microwave would fall out, and I showed the picture right here. That's replaced. It's crazy. It looks pretty decent in here. Literally how we left it.
They put the trim back up.
Huh?
They put the trim back up in here.
So the only thing that I noticed they didn't do is that trim piece wasn't put back up. But so this light is from
oh wow,
the 2025. So they changed up a little bit of the interiors, and that's the light from the 2020.
That looks nice.
2025. So they had to rebuild all this. This is still.
Yeah.
Huh? He said it would be.
I've seen it. What about the bathroom? Did we look in there?
No. So the bathroom. They had to put a new one of these in because it broke. New. they just not secure it right there, or what the flip is happening? Because this is very... What the heck?
What?
They didn't secure this right or something. Look.
Yeah, that's how it was the first time, remember?
Yeah.
They just put a screw over here. So I wonder if I could put a screw right here. Isn't that what they did last time?
I have no clue what they did last time. It was just fixed.
I wonder if I could just put a screw this way. A little screw. Huh?
Maybe.
Or would you want it from the inside?
I don't care. It just needs to hold.
They recocked everything.
They had to. They took everything out.
Yo, yo, yo! Everybody, our first home cooked meal in a long time. It's been a long time coming. You see what's on there? We do have a smoker, but and a grill, but we made steak, rice, and some vegetables. So we're gonna get it done today. We might as well eat good. We got our house back. Look at this. Look at that fridge. Yes, sir. Till then, like, subscribe, show our friends. Don't miss out. See you guys on the next one.